Listen to me, El Porco. We're not in the Indianapolis 500. We can't have a car with numbers on it. We have to camouflage the car somehow.
Like what, JJ?
How about a limousine with diplomatic plates?
Nah.
Nah, I know. A bloodmobile. Never stop a bloodmobile, would they?
Nah. Ice cream truck. An ice cream truck. You know they gotta get there before it melts.
Nah. Terrific. We're out of beer, Victor.
Sorry. Oh, take it easy. You're acting crazy since this Cannonball thing.
I'm gonna pull in here and get some beer, all right? How about an armored personnel carrier? They wouldn't stop that, would they?
No. Hey, don't bother to park. I'll be right out. Yep.
Could get a black Trans Am. No, that's been done.